What if one idea could change your whole life? What if success is not only about money, talent, or luck, but about the way you think? In Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill shares powerful lessons from successful people like Andrew Carnegie. This book teaches that strong thoughts, clear goals, and daily action can help anyone reach success. The book starts with one important message: thoughts become things. Napoleon Hill says every great success begins with a strong desire, not a small wish, but a deep and powerful goal. If you truly want something, you must believe in it and work for it every day. The first lesson is desire. Hill explains that successful people know exactly what they want. They do not say maybe someday. They choose a clear goal and focus on it. He says you should write down your dream, read it every day, and believe it is possible. The second lesson is faith. Faith means believing in yourself even before success comes. Many people quit because they do not see results quickly, but successful people continue moving forward. Hill says the mind becomes stronger when we repeat positive thoughts again and again. Next comes autosuggestion. This means talking to yourself in a positive way. Your brain listens to the words you repeat every day. If you always say, "I can't do this," your mind starts to believe it. But if you say, "I will succeed," your confidence grows. Another important lesson is specialized knowledge. Hill says knowledge alone is not enough. You must learn useful skills and apply them in real life. Successful people never stop learning. Next, Hill talks about imagination. Every business, invention, or great idea started in someone's mind first. Imagination helps people find new answers and better opportunities. The book also teaches the power of organized planning. Dreams are not enough without action. You need a real plan. Sometimes the first plan fails, and that is normal. Successful people change their plans, but they do not give up on their goals. One of the strongest chapters is about persistence. Hill says many people fail because they stop too soon. Hard times happen to everyone. The difference is that successful people keep trying even when life becomes difficult. Another key idea is the mastermind group. This means spending time with smart and positive people who support your growth. The people around you can change your future. Good friends and mentors can help you stay motivated and focused. Finally, Hill explains that fear is one of the biggest enemies of success. Fear of failure, fear of criticism, and fear of losing money stop many people from chasing their dreams. But courage grows when we take action. In the end, Think and Grow Rich is not only about becoming rich with money, it's about building confidence, discipline, and a strong mindset. The book teaches that success starts in the mind before it appears in real life. If you believe in your goal, stay focused, and never quit, you can create a better future for yourself. The biggest lesson from this book: your mind is powerful. What you think, believe, and do every day can shape your life.